The most common misconception would be that women do not work in manufacturing, which is not true. A lot of the employees here are women, and we rock it.
My experience as a woman in manufacturing definitely has been rewarding.
Coming to County was a complete change, but also allowed me to advance and learn new skills.
I've been doing this for many years, and throughout the years I've seen more and more women in this position and given many more opportunities. I think that women coming into this position have a much greater opportunity than they did many years ago.
So a common misconception about working in manufacturing is that it's more of a male position, when in fact there's a lot of positions within manufacturing that any women can do. It's just a matter of finding what's best for you.
You can work in an office environment, you can work in plant, you can work out on the road, you can be a driver. There's so many opportunities here.
You know, they say it's a man's job, but I believe, and I've worked with women that can do a man's job, machines, whatever it may be. And in today's world, a woman can do that too.
The company inspires me, and my team inspire me every day.
The person who inspires me is my dad. He, from little on, always taught us that it doesn't matter if you're a girl or a guy, you do what you want to do. He taught us girls to hunt. He owned a body shop. We worked on cars in the body shop from little on. We were full mechanics by the time we were 14. So he's kind of been my inspiration, and I taught my daughter the same thing that he taught me.
I hope to inspire men and women to know you can do whatever you want if you just try.
I hope to inspire through my work any of the young ladies coming into the career, and hope that they look at some of us women who have been in it and know that they can do the same thing.
Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid of change.
Try it out. Try different positions, or maybe just do a little bit homework on it and educate yourself at what opportunities you do have at County Materials.
Be who you are. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. Learning is an everyday process, and there's something new every day.